Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sovos for tax compliance workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Sovos for tax compliance workflows, begin by accessing your Sovos account. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Integrations tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Integrations tab to open the integration options. Find the option for Tax Compliance within the Integrations list. Select the Tax Compliance option to proceed. You will see a range of available connections to different platforms. Choose the platform you wish to connect with Sovos. Click on the Connect button next to the desired platform. This action will prompt the system to initiate the connection process. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide necessary information. Enter any required API keys or authentication details as prompted. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid connection errors. Once you've input the details, click on Submit to continue. The system may take a moment to verify the connection. You will see a confirmation message once the connection is successfully established. Next, navigate to the Workflows section in the dashboard. Here you can set up automated tax compliance workflows. Select the New Workflow button to create a workflow. Follow the prompts to choose your workflow parameters. Customize notifications and reporting options according to your needs. Once the setup is complete, save the workflow. Your Sovos connection is now ready for tax compliance workflows. Monitor the workflows regularly for any required updates. Ensure compliance settings are aligned with current tax regulations. For troubleshooting, refer to the Sovos Help Center or contact support. This completes the process of connecting Sovos for tax compliance workflows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.